Okay, so I will just share my screen. So take down the question. It is a university question. So we will solve one rectangular design of rectangular water tank as the tutorial problem. All of you quickly make a note of the question. Okay, so we are doing the question number 4. Yes, is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes.
देखो question number 4 देखो. What is the question? Designed by approximate method, a rectangular tank 4 meter by 4.5 meter in plan and 4 meter in height. The tank is resting on firm ground. Grade is given M25 and steel is Fe415. Check the design for safe stresses. And then design the following: side walls, base slab, draw neat sketch showing the reinforcement detailing. Okay. So the same type of question we have done in the classroom. So we have to check for stresses also, we have to design the wall also, and we have to design the base slab also. And then at the end, we will draw the reinforcement detailing. Okay. Just make a note of this. Yes, all of you, have you noted down the question? So now just start with the solution. And give me the values in the chat box. Okay, so the same procedure we will follow in the last numerical what we have seen. Yes, do you want me to share the screen for the numerical we have done in the last lecture, or you can do it? Yes,
So we will do.
share करूं? Okay. I hope everyone has noted down the question. So let me just share my screen for the last problem. Okay. So the same procedure, same type of question is there. So start with the solution. So the tank dimensions are different here. Ly by Lx is 4 by 4.5. So again, you will check for Ly by Lx. Okay. So Ly by Lx, when it is less than 2, both the walls will be designed having cantilever effect. Agar Ly by Lx is greater than 2, only one wall will be designed having cantilever effect. That is the long wall. So that is the difference.
So in this Ly will be 4.5 ना?
हाँ, Ly will be 4.5, Lx will be 4. ठीक है, पहले ऐसा एक फिगर बना लो, ये वाला डायमेंशंस दिया है 4/4.5, एम आई करेक्ट? वही है ना डायमेंशंस?
Yes sir.
हाँ, ठीक है, तो पहले डायमेंशंस शो इन द फिगर and then just check the ratio. If it is less than 2, we will design both the walls having cantilever effect. Hence, then the first step is to find out the thickness of the wall. Okay, so this is a typical problem which can be asked in the examination, rectangular water tank design by approximate method.
So sigma st 150 लेंगे ना?
सिग्मा एस टी देखो ना टेबल में जो मैंने दिया है वैल्यू, आई थिंक इट इज 130 फॉर all, right? I mean for FE 415 grade. Just check. सिग्मा एस टी और FE 415 कितना है?
130.
150 ना? ओके, ठीक है, फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द थिकनेस. Yes, what is the thickness you are getting?
So there are three thicknesses, 150 mm, then 30 plus h by 50 is equal to 170 mm, and 60 mm per length is coming out to be 270.
Okay, please write in the chat box. ठीक है, assume suitable clear cover 270. ठीक है, सेकंड कंडीशन है 30 इंटू हाइट कितना है 4 मीटर्स
4.4.
4.4
So 4 meters.
4 मीटर्स है ना हाइट।
Yes, sir.
तो ये सेकंड क्राइटेरिया से कितना आ रहा है
170.
हाँ 170। ठीक है, सो लेट अस कंसीडर अ सुटेबल क्लियर कवर
185.
25 ना क्लियर कवर 195 हो जाएगा।
तो 200 प्रोवाइड कर देते.
सो लेट अस प्रोवाइड thickness of let us say 220 overall। ठीक है, सो राइट डाउन प्रोवाइड थिकनेस ऑफ द वॉल एज 220 mm। then you can assume suitable diameter of the horizontal steel and the vertical steel। ठीक है, तो अभी डायमीटर कंसीडर करने की जरूरत नहीं है, सो जस्ट प्रोवाइड द थिकनेस ऑफ द वॉल एज 220 mm and then you can find out effective ly or lx। ठीक है, so that will be required to find out the moment and tension। ठीक है, सो ly और lx कितना हो जाएगा 6.4.22
4.22 and 4.72.
यस यस। थर्ड क्राइटेरिया से कितना आ रहा है 60 mm per meter of the long side
270.
270। ठीक है, so let us see if it is passed in 220, so no need to go for the third। ठीक है, फर्स्ट टू कंसिडर करो। थर्ड वाला एक्चुअली जनरली सेफर साइड पे डिज़ाइन हो जाता है, तो अगर और इकोनॉमिकल डिज़ाइन करना है सो यू कैन कंसिडर द फर्स्ट टू क्राइटेरियाज। ठीक है, ये थोड़ा हैवी साइड पे डिज़ाइन है। ओके सो now let us calculate the bending moments and tension। ठीक है, सो यू कैन कैलकुलेट द वाटर प्रेशर। ठीक है, 1 मीटर तक वी आर एज्यूमिंग एज द कैंटिलीवर इफेक्ट और उसके बाद हॉरिजॉन्टल टेंशन। ठीक है, तो जस्ट कैलकुलेट द वाटर प्रेशर एट 1 मीटर अबव द बेस एंड एट द बेस। ठीक है, हाइट कितना है 4 मीटर्स, सो अबव 3 मीटर्स रिमेनिंग और बॉटम में 1 मीटर। ठीक है, सो बॉटम में कितना आ जाएगा 40 10 into 4 और वहां पे 30 आ जाएगा। ठीक है, सो नाउ गिव मी द वैल्यूज ऑफ द बेंडिंग मोमेंट एंड टेंशन इन द शॉर्ट वॉल। So ly and lx also you must have calculated. The longer side is I think 4.5 plus 220। 4.72 yes। Okay, ठीक है, anyone got the negative bending moment and positive bending moment? Just write the values in the chat box. Okay, how much is this? Devansh is getting 44.52. Okay, 44. What about others? Positive. Yes, anyone got the values? Just write in the chat box. Okay. And the positive bending moment? 33.39. Okay, so now similarly find out in the long wall. So this is 44, this is 33, but tension is slightly less. Okay, so the bending moment is more. So similarly find out for the long wall.
Fifty-five point 80.
55 point Negative is 55, positive is 41, tension is 63. Okay. Now just calculate the design constants. Okay, calculate the design constants. Okay, so it will be the same near the face also and away from the water face. Okay, so in this case, since the thickness is more than 200, we will provide the reinforcement on both the faces. So near the water face and away from the water face also, the design constants will remain the same. What is the grade? M20 है या 25?
25.
25. ठीक है, same grade है. So just find out the design constants. Sigma CVC is 8.5, sigma ST is 150. Modular ratio, I think everything will remain the same, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है, तो सब कुछ this will remain the same. ठीक है, this is for both near the water face और away, दोनों के लिए same है. No, सबके लिए सेम है क्या? चेक करो और एक बार. Yes, what is the value of sigma ST?
150.
150 है. चेक करो एक बार. वन 130 है ना? I think last time also we have changed this value. सिग्मा एस टी का वैल्यू जो मैंने टेबल में लिखाया था एज पर द न्यू कोड, दिस इज 130. Okay, now give me the values. N is 0.418, J is 0.61, 0.86. Others, just give me the confirmation. Modular ratio will remain the same. Yes, others. Design constants values, others also getting the same. Yes, please be little quick.
So sigma CBC will be 8.5.
8.5, correct. 25 by 3.
Modular ratio is 10.98.
Yes. See, I've shown you the calculations also on the right side. So you'll get XC, that is neutral axis constant. J is the lever arm constant.
So K is 0.417.
Okay, 0.414.
0.417.
417. Okay, so okay. 418. Shurabji is also getting. Okay, so I and J, N and J.
J is 0.861.
861. Okay, fine. Yes, so let us move on to the next step. Let us calculate the horizontal reinforcement now. Okay, so we have calculated the design constants. Now let us calculate the steel. So calculation of reinforcement in the short wall. So first we will find out the horizontal reinforcement both in the short wall as well as the long wall, and then afterwards we will find out the reinforcement for the cantilever effect, that is vertical reinforcement. So let us place the reinforcement as shown. Outer layer will be
So
vertical.
cantilever effect will be for both, na? Long wall and short wall.
Yes,
In
yes.
one.
Yes, it will be for both the walls. Okay, so first we'll find out the reinforcement for the hoop tension both in the short wall and the long wall, and then for the cantilever effect. So first we'll find out the reinforcement in the short wall. So the placement of the reinforcement will be outer layer will be vertical while inner layer will be horizontal. So first find out. So let us keep outer as 10 and inner as 12 and find out the effective thickness. And also let us find out the value of X. And then we will find out the reinforcement at the support and at the midspan. So reinforcement at the support. Okay, what is this value you're getting? D and X. Anyone? Write in the chat box. D and X. This is 250, 220, right? So 220 minus 25 minus 10 minus 12 by 2. Yes, anyone give me this value D? Okay, 179. And X? X is 69. Okay, so now give me AST1 and AST2 quickly. Okay, last 2 minutes are remaining. So we'll just find out the steel for this. And then we'll end the session. Okay, after this step, we'll meet after 5 minutes. ठीक है, AST1 और AST2 बताओ. Anyone got the value of AST1 and AST2? AST1 1980 and AST2 is 544. Okay, so the steel is coming out to be more. Others also getting the same. Okay, the session will end now. We will join after 5 minutes. Okay, so in the meantime, you can just calculate. Yes, no need to write the attendance again.